Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we're going to do an honest review of a product that was sent to us to try. Today we're going to do the Looft Lighter. Now, this is the Looft Lighter, I assume 1. When you open the box, this is an electric lighter. When you take it out of the box, this has a heating element in the end of it, and it lights charcoal, wood. We'll look at the box in just a second. Okay, so the Looft Lighter, all electric grill and fire lighter. It says light your fire in 60 seconds. It's clean, it only has hot air. Watts is 1500 watts, it's 120 volt, has a 9.8 foot cord, also has a bottle opener on it, and it's got a 3-year warranty. All electric lighter, superheated air only, lights all fuels. Kamado, kettle, fireplace, smoker, fire pit, pizza oven, and it has the instructions on how it works. To light it up, set a pile of fuel you like, charcoal or wood, touch them with the tip of the Looft Lighter and press the button. Keep your Looft Lighter aimed toward the same spot for around 60 seconds. Pull back a bit when the sparks are aglow. Pull back the Looft Lighter a few inches, giving it space. It'll help for the heat to spread out and do its magic. So, the only thing I can tell you is, I've never tried it, so let's try it and see what we got. Okay, so what I particularly wanted to try, that I could see that for me, this was gonna be the most useful, is when I'm wanting to cook on a kettle and I'm wanting to do it low and slow. So, usually when I do that, I'll take a wax cube or some sort of fire starter and put down on one end and let this basket work to the other end. I've tried pouring a half chimney of lit charcoal in, and the fire just gets too hot too quick. So let's try this. Now this says point the tip at it, push the button, and so we're gonna try. Here we go. Okay, I'm starting to see a few sparks. Okay. I hope you can see. And that definitely was in less than 60 seconds. All right, well, where I've got it pointed with these on this end, this is definitely doing a number. It is lighting them. Pretty doggone quick, too. As you can see, it's spreading down to the others. That heat's going down. Wow, honestly, I'm pretty impressed. I've seen a few reviews on these that they didn't work at all, and this is definitely working. Now, This is totally lighting one end over here, which is what I want, because I want this kettle to come up slow. And with what I'm cooking, I'm gonna be cooking slow. And I don't want this whole basket lit. I'm gonna stop right there. All right, I don't know whether it's coming out on the camera or not, but this whole little triangle right here is aglow. Those are lit. And I would say that that's probably all I need. Now, I know you've probably seen some, they set a timer and whatnot. I didn't set a timer to see. I'm more curious. You gotta take this thing and see, if you don't hold the button, it's not running. And I wanted to see, was it going to be an uncomfortably long time that you have to hold this button in on this charcoal to get it lit? And obviously the answer is no. So I'm gonna start this cook, and I'll bring you back and give you a few final thoughts on this Looft Lighter. Okay, well, the Looft Lighter. Pluses, it worked quick. There wasn't a lot of mess. I didn't have to use anything. This is just heat coming out of an electric. Now, you do have to have electricity. You have to have a source for that. If it's not something you can take and use out in the woods, but for the patio, backyard, even I'm doing this cook and I wanted to do low and slow and bring it up. So I wanted to light part of my charcoal without starting the whole big thing. Would this work on a chimney of charcoal? You set it up right, doggone right it will. It got pretty hot pretty quick. So I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs up. Would I use this? Absolutely, especially in the situation I just used it. This is something, thank you to the Looft people for sending me this to try. It's something I will use. So until the next time, hang tight.